Here's a really interesting part to model. It looks simple at first, but there's a trick to get the curves just right. In this tutorial, we'll use surface tools and a mix of techniques to create it step by step. Let's jump in. We'll start on the right plane by sketching the center profile of the part. We'll add 2 circles, set the dimensions, and that completes this step. We'll use an Extruded Boss base with a thickness of 0.4, and just like that, our first feature is done. For the next step, we'll start a new sketch right on the face of the part we just created. To make things easier, we'll use an offset of 0.1, and just like that, the next sketch is ready. We'll extrude this sketch with a thickness of 0.4, and with that, this feature is complete as well. Now we'll mirror the new feature using the face of the previous part as the mirror plane, and with that, the bottom section of the model is finished. For the top section of the model, we'll start on the front plane. We'll add 2 circles, set the dimensions, and trim the extra lines. Next, we'll extrude this sketch with a thickness of 0.4 millimeters. Since the first part was built on the origin, we'll add a 1 millimeter offset so it stays centered. We'll set the extrusion direction inward, and just like that, this section is complete. Now we'll mirror this feature across the front plane, and with that, the top section of the model is complete. For the final step, we'll use a loft to connect the top and bottom sections. We'll make sure to select the correct faces for both profiles so the twist is created properly. Once the loft is applied, the 2 sections are smoothly joined together. Even though the loft is complete, the transition isn't smooth enough yet. So we'll edit the loft and enable the normal to profile option on both ends. This option makes the start and end of the loft perpendicular to the profiles, which gives us a much cleaner and smoother twist. Now we'll repeat the same loft process on the other side. This time we'll make sure to enable normal to profile for both ends right away, so the loft starts and ends perpendicular to the profiles. This gives us a clean and smooth twist in a single step, and the 2 sides of the model now match perfectly. Finally, let's change the appearance of the part to make it look even better, and take a moment to admire the finished model. Every model is a new challenge and a chance to learn something new. Keep creating. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more SolidWorks tips, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.